Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Welcome to my unboxing of the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max in silver. So excited to get a hold of this phone. I failed rather spectacularly in the pre-ordering process last weekend, so I had to go stand in line today at a Costco in order to get the phone. Was there at 4 a.m. Really interesting experience. At any rate, I finally got it. Got the 512 gig version. Very excited. Let's get this unboxed and check it out. So looking at the phone, it is absolutely lovely, kind of a silvery white color, gorgeous stainless steel sides, just a beautiful phone. Looking at the contents of the box, not a lot in here. We've got our USB-C to Lightning cable. We do not have a charging block. And then we've got this little sheaf of info here. We've got a SIM card removal tool, and we've got a sticker and I guess some regulatory info. So unless you already have a USB-C wall charger lying about, you're going to need to get a new one. You can get the one that Apple recommends, which is their own 20-watt charger. Or you might want to consider this really cute one by Anker. This is their new Anker Nano Pro. It's also 20 watt, and it is really small and cute. Charges just as well as Apple's, but it takes up a whole lot less space and comes in a variety of fun colors. There's even a blue which will match the new Sierra Blue iPhones. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is an absolutely beautiful phone, no question about it. You've got these beautiful, shiny, stainless steel sides. Look really premium. They're also absolute fingerprint magnets, unfortunately, but they do look wonderful. We have the same flat edge design that we had with the iPhone 12 series. Everything looks absolutely great here. So looking at our screen, we have a new ProMotion display with the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. This has a variable refresh rate, which is going to give you a brighter screen. It's going to have better outdoor brightness, and it's also going to save on battery. So for example, if you're reading an ebook or something like that that doesn't need very much in the way of screen refresh, then you're going to have a very low screen refresh rate, and that's going to save on battery. So this has variable refresh in between 10 and 120 Hertz, as opposed to the previous screen technology that they were using, which was a flat 60 Hertz no matter what you were doing with your iPhone. So I think that this ProMotion display is going to be a big improvement. The iPhone 13 Pro Max has got incredible battery life. It's got the biggest battery ever on an iPhone. It's going to have more than 2.5 hours of extra battery life as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max was awesome in terms of battery life. So if you look at the notch, you can see that this is different than what we had on the iPhone 12 series phones. Also, your ear speaker has been positioned differently, so it's at the very, very top here. I think that overall your notch is going to be a bit less obtrusive than it was before, so that's excellent. We have the same ceramic shield glass this year as we had on the iPhone 12 series phones. Should be super tough. So looking here at the back of the phone, we've got the same matte glass as last year. Very good against fingerprints. And then we have a glossy finished glass here in our camera bump, which again is larger than last year's. It's not a huge difference like the difference between the 12 Pro and the 13 Pro camera. That's an enormous difference. This one's not such a big difference, but you still have a bit higher camera bump, and I think just a little bit wider in comparison with the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera. Of course, you do have additional functionality. You've got better night mode, you've got cinematic video mode, you've got 3x optical zoom, and you also have something called macro mode. Really looking forward to checking that out. Overall, this is just a lovely product here from Apple. Of course, we still have MagSafe functionality with the iPhone 13 series phones. So you're going to be able to use this with your MagSafe charger. No issues there. Don't have to go out and buy a new MagSafe charger. You're also going to be able to use this with the same Apple Wallet. Love the Apple Wallet, really great product, although I heard that there is a new version of the Apple Wallet which has Find My functionality built in so that if your wallet becomes separated from your phone, then you can track down your wallet without your phone. So I think that that is potentially a reason to want to upgrade your MagSafe wallet. But as far as the magnetic functionality is concerned, you're going to be able to use the same MagSafe wallets that you were using on your iPhone 12 series phone. Finally, one additional feature which might convince you to upgrade to the iPhone 13 Pro Max or 13 Pro is the fact that the Pro Series iPhone 13s have additional 5G bands. So you're going to get better cellular connectivity with these. So if cellular connectivity is an issue for you, then that might be a reason to upgrade. Overall, I do think that the 13 Pro Max is a lovely phone. Yes, it's kind of huge and it's heavy, but it's got a lot of great features. It's got that beautiful screen with ProMotion. You've got this fantastic camera. Love the fact we've got macro photography on here right now, as well as the 3x optical zoom, your night mode, your cinematic video. Just lots to love there. And I'm crazy about the fact that we've got this huge battery capacity on here. Overall, just a great phone from Apple as long as you can handle the size. So thanks so much for joining me for my iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the content. My channel focuses mostly on accessories for iPhones, so you know I'm going to have a lot of iPhone 13 Pro Max and other iPhone 13 cases, screen protectors, etc. coming up, so do consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.